Here all the magic happens, as you can see. Click on Bot Manager from WhatsApp section. Select the bot account which you want to use. I'm gonna select this one. After that, scroll down to WhatsApp flows. Here you can see two options, sync and create button. Well, sync means if you have any previous WhatsApp form created by WhatsApp API, then clicking on the sync button will synchronize that form with your bot seller account. So I'm going to create a new form directly from here. So click on the create button. And as you can see, this is the WhatsApp flows form page. Here you can make any type of form you want for your business. Since we took real estate business as an example, I'm going to make an appointment form for real estate businesses that any business can use. So moving on forward, give a unique name for a flow. This name should not match your previous flow names. So I'm going to write Horizon Real Estate Form. For flow category, I'm going to select appointment booking. Here you can choose any other options depending on which type of form you're going to make. So I'm going to make an appointment booking. So select this option. Now give an unique screen name. This should not contain any space, numbers, or any special character in it. So I'm going to write same thing in small letters, Horizon Form. Okay. Now as form title, select the same thing, Horizon Real Estate Form. After that, select a bot reply that your customers or your users will get after they submit the form. You can make the bot from your bot manager page, or you can directly create it from over here. Just click on add button, and over here it will take you to a visual flow builder. Now double click on start bot flow. No need to set any trigger keyword, just set a title. I'm gonna write, since it's the final reply that your customers or users will get when they submit the form, so I'm gonna give the title Horizon Form Final Title. Horizon Form Final Reply. And save it. Now drag from compose text message and take a text element. Here write thank you. Our agent will contact you soon. There, it's done. Now save the bot. Then go back to the WhatsApp flows form page and refresh it so that your bot is connected, and you can find it at the end of the list. Here, Horizon Form Final Reply. Select it, and this is the main form creation section. Here you can drag elements to the blank dashboard and customize it for your form. So drag the header element to the blank dashboard. Double click on the element or click on the edit option here to customize the header element. In the label, write the header of your form. So I'm going to write the same thing as form title, Horizon Real Estate Form, and close it. Then there's text field and text area. Both are used for text input, meaning you can use these two elements for general questions of your form. Only difference is that the text field is used for small size text input and text area is used for large size text input. And the checkbox group is used for multiple selection and radio group is used for single selection. Select option is basically a drop-down menu, just like this flow category. This is a drop-down menu, as you can see. And submit button is used for submitting the form. Use this element at the end of the form that you are going to make every time. So I'm going to set some general questions for the form to help you understand how to do it. So first, drag a text element and double click on it to customize it. Label, I'm going to write name as a question, and the helpful text means just a guidance for the question, like what to answer for the question. So you can set it up over here in the help text. So I'm gonna write your full name, and enable the required option when you want to answer the question to be mandatory. After that, drag another text field and ask another question like phone, and for help text write your phone number, okay. After that, drag another text field and this time ask for email, write your email address. Now drag a text area and ask for address. And in help text, write what is your address, Now drag another text field and here ask for profession. And in help text, write what is your profession, okay. Now drag another text field and ask for the budget. Budget meaning what is the budget for the property that he's going to buy or going to sell. So write budget. And in text, what is your budget for the property? Your budget for the property. Okay, after that, I'm going to drag a radio group option. And here, I'm going to write bedrooms. And in the help text, I'm going to write how many bedrooms you want. So, how many bedrooms you want. And scroll down to the options. Here, write 1 bedroom, or 2 bedroom, and 3 bedroom. Notice that there's another option section over here. In this field, write 1, 2, and 3. This is just for ID, so label it as you want and close it. Now I'm going to take another radio group, and here I'm going to ask about washrooms. In help text, I'm going to write how many washrooms you need. Okay, and here I'm going to give the same options like 1 washroom, or 2 washroom, and 3 of washroom, and give the ID 1, 2, and 3. Okay, done. After that, that's all the questions I'm gonna ask for this form. So I'm gonna add the submit button element and name it submit form. Now save it and your form will be ready. It will take some time and you will be back to WhatsApp Flows page. Now click on action buttons here and you'll see some more options over here. So first you'll see add a webhook. You can use this option to connect your WhatsApp form to your website or any other platforms that you want. So click on it. And here you can input the link to your website or any other third-party applications that you want to connect and save it. Next, there's report data option. You can use this option to check all the data you collected from your customers. Next, there's download data. You can use this option to download all the data that you have collected. Up next, you can see preview option. You can check how your form look on the front screen over here. So click it. Select this preview flow. And here you can see everything that you created just now, the form. Next, there's publish option. Be careful before you publish it, because once you publish the form, you cannot edit or do anything because WhatsApp doesn't allow it. So be careful before you publish the form. After that, you can see the edit option and the delete option. Now that your form is ready, you can use it in any other bot you create. So let's go to the bot reply page and click on create button to create a new bot for your real estate business. Now that we're in Visual Flow Builder, I'm going to make a complete bot from start to finish, showing you how you can also easily create your own chatbot for your business. So double click on Start Bot Flow and give a trigger keyword. You can write hello, hi, or anything as you like. I have many bots that have already used hello, hi, or etc. So I'm gonna use a unique keyword. Let me think. I'm gonna write hola. That's also mean hi. So now as title, I'm gonna give the same as the form. So Horizon Real Estate Form Bot, and save. Now start dragging from compose next message and select the interactive element. Now double click on interactive element, and in the text field, we're going to write what are you looking for. Because it's a real estate business, when your customer messages you on your WhatsApp account, you should ask them what are they looking for. Then you can give them options of your service. So that's exactly what we're going to do here. So let me write, what are you looking for? And in the message body, we're going to write, we have two options available. Two available. And in the message footer, we're going to write, please choose one. Choose one. Okay, now save it and take two button component and in the first one write buy a property. Buy a property, and when user press the button, you should select send a message and save. And the second button should write sell the property. And when user presses this button, they should get message. So send a message and save it. So when customers select the buy button, they should get a text reply saying, yes, we can do that, or anything as you like, you can set it. So I'm going to give, definitely, we can help you with that. So let's take a text reply, drag from next, and select text component, and double click on the text, and in the message, write, definitely, we can help you with that. Okay, now save it. And after that, we should give few more options, like what type of property they want to buy. So let's take another interactive element. So drag from compose next message and select interactive component, double click on it. So in the text field, we should write, choose a property type. Choose a property type. And in the message body, we should write, currently we have three options available. Available. And in the message footer, we should write, please select one. Select 1. Okay, now save it. And now let's take 3 more buttons. Drag from button, and there's 1, 2, and 3. Okay, in first button, we should write residential, and send message, save. And the next button, we should write commercial. This should also send a message and save. And the button, next button, we're going to write open house. This also should send a message and save it. Now, when customers select the option, we should send them the form that we created, because that was the whole point, to collect data. In this case, we will use the form to collect customers' data, and our agent will give them the best deal possible for them. So now let's take a text element, drag from next button, and take a text component and write, okay, great, please fill out this form. It will help us find the right property for you. Our agent will contact you soon. And save it. And now drag from next message and select WhatsApp flows component and double click it and select the flow that you just created. Now write your company name in message header, and in message body, write why this form is important, or you can write anything as you wish. I'm going to skip message footer. You can write something if you want. I don't need it, so I'm gonna skip for now. But you must write something in message footer. So I'm gonna write my company name in message header. That's Horizon Real Estate. And in message body, I'm gonna write help us know of your needs by filling out the form. And in the footer button, I'm gonna write click here and save. So I'm gonna do the same for other buttons also. So I'm gonna copy the text that I used, copy it, and take a text component and double click it and paste the text that we used earlier and save. After that, drag from compose text message and take a WhatsApp flows component, and we do the same like before. Select the flow, and in the message header, we're gonna use the company name, and in the message body, we will do the same thing. The cars, or we can just copy and paste like before. So do that. And in the footer, we can set click here and save. And for our third button, we're also going to do the same thing. Take the text and save it, and take the WhatsApp flows component and select the flow, save. Well, now let's move on to the sale button and drag from next option and select a text component and double click on text component and write definitely we can help you with that, just like before, and save. Now let's take interactive element. So drag from compose text message, select interactive element, double click on it, and in the text we should write what's your property type, and in the message body should write, we need to know more about your property to give you the best deal. Then in the message footer, select and write, please choose one and save. Now let's take 3 buttons from interactive. Drag button 1 and then button 2, drag it, and button 3. Okay. Now double click on button 1 and name it home and send message, save. And second button, name it apartment. And when user press the button, send a message, save. And in button 3, name it land. These are the property types that a customer want to sell. So send a message and save. And when a customer select an option like home or apartment or land, they should get a message, text reply. So create a text reply by dragging a text component and should say, okay, great. Please fill out the form below and our agent will contact you soon. And save it. Now we can send them the form. So we can drag the WhatsApp flows component and set up everything from the scratch. Or we can clone the already made component and use it here thanks to bot seller's cloning option. Since our form is same as before, we can just clone it and use it over here. So let's just clone it and drag it to next to the text element and connect these 2 sockets, and it's done. We can do the rest for other 2 buttons also. Clone the text component, connect it to the apartment button, and we can clone the WhatsApp flows component here and also connect it to the text component. Now save the bot flow and your bot is good to go. Now we should test the bot reply. So open your WhatsApp and write the trigger keyword that you set for your bot. So I'm gonna write hola. This is my trigger keyword. Okay. To that I'm gonna select buyer property. Okay. Now choose a property type. I will choose residential. Okay, great. Now fill out the form. As you can see, this is the form link. So click here and the WhatsApp form will pop up. Here write your name, phone number, done, email address, okay, an address. Okay, for now profession. Okay, budget. Okay, bedroom. Okay, 2 bedrooms, 1 washroom, and submit. Okay, done. So as you can see, our form works perfectly. You can use WhatsApp flows form to collect customers' data and increase your sales to it. Here I just showed you how to make a simple form in WhatsApp flows, but you can customize more complex forms as you like for your business needs. So after your customer filled the form, you can now access the data collected from the report data option in WhatsApp form by following these steps. First, go to WhatsApp flows setting and tap on action button. Select report data. This will open a window where you can see all the data that you collected, and then tap on download report. This will download a Excel file where all the data that you collected from your customers will be stored. This feature allows you to conveniently download and analyze the data collected through WhatsApp forms from your customers.